Welcome to kuber.club, where investing meets simplicity. Today, we'll guide you through settings in your SLP Assure plan. All it takes is just a few clicks. First things first, download the kuber.club app from your app store and set up your personalized PIN for added security. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Add Funds section and select the SLP Assure as your investment option. Enter the amount you'd like to invest with a minimum of Rs 1500. Then choose your investment period and your app will automatically calculate the maturity date for you. Next, select the frequency of your installments along with the preferred date for each payment. Lastly, select the type of insurance plan you would like to accompany your SLP Assure with. And just like that, you're all set for a secured future filled with freedom wali vibe. For more insights into the benefits of SLP, click here to check out our previous video. You will find all the links of our app in the description. Stay updated with our latest offerings by following us on our social media. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you all in the next video.